Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope that all of you will fine. Today we are going to start document template. Document templates. Templates are the document templates refer to a sample fill in the blank document that can help in saving times. Usually templates are customized documents that may have sample content themes. For example, if you want to create a resume, you can use a resume template and modify only with the sections that require changes. Yes, document template means you can find the predefined templates, predefined designs for which you can type in these templates and make any applications, resume or any card. To view sample templates available with your word processor, go to the file, new. You will be displayed with different types of templates. Figure below. For example, if you would like to create a letter, you can select the letters option under office.com template sections. Suppose you need to create certificates from recently held competition, you can select the certificates options. You will display with the list of certificate templates. Yes, students, in the file menus, new, and go to the template sections, then we can see the different templates, and we can select the templates from these options. If we want to generate any certificate, then select the template for the certificates. Okay, similarly you can see this picture, name here will be visible. You can also download the other type of templates from websites. Some of the websites that offer the free templates, the office.microsoft.com /templates, www.thepaper papermillstore.com, openoffice.blog.com, www.docstock.com. You can visit the above mentioned website to search, download and use a template that suits your needs. Creating a new document based on the template you can save you time and effort, because all the work it takes to design the document has already been done. You may use the templates that come with word processing software or downloading templates created by other people, or you can also create and save your own templates for future use. First of all, you need to create a document that will serve as a templates. Now you create this template as a normal document, but the magic step is where you save it. Click on file, save as, and give the template as name. Select word template from the save as type drop down list. आप इसमें क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, फाइल मेन्यू में जाके उसको सेव कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Notice there is a template folder with the Microsoft Word. If you save your templates there, then we will able to see the templates in my templates category. Select that and click save. Now use the template, click on the file menu and new, go to the my templates and you can scroll down. You will find the file your name invoice template you just created. Select that and click OK. Notice this is a new document, it's not a template. You have just created a new document based on one of your own templates. Now when you save this document, it gets saved as a normal docs file. Exercise, you can do the following activities. Download and use templates from the internet. You will now create a template of invoice. An invoice is just like kind of document that needs to set a format and one that will be created over and over again. Save the file with the name your name invoice. How to create an invoice, hint given है यहाँ पे. You can divide the invoice into three main parts: header, body and footer. Invoice header में contain letterhead, your business name. Okay, आप invoice बना सकते हैं इसमें. बिल, जैसे आप कोई भी सामान परचेज करते हैं तो उसका एक बिल आता है, वो आप उस टाइप से आप उसको बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये आपके लिए असाइनमेंट है. ओके. Working with page and section break. Page and section breaks can be used to separate a document into sections. If you would like to start a new page in document, you can use a page break. To separate section in a document, you can use the section break. For example, you can lay out part of single column page as 2 column. You can separate the chapters as chapter sections in your document so that the page numbering for each chapters begin at 1. You can also create a different header footer for section. Yes, आप इसमें ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. For example, यहाँ देखिए आप, you can see in the word page layout and columns. ये sections, break, line numbers. ओके, कॉलम्स में 1 2 3 कॉलम्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगा पेज आपका. ओके, आप इसमें अगर टाइप करेंगे यहाँ पे और उसके बाद यहाँ पे लिखेंगे तो ये देखिए ये इसी कॉलम, यह इस सेकंड कॉलम है आपका यहाँ पे और ये थर्ड कॉलम है. तो इस टाइप से आप इसमें कोई भी ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. सेक्शन ब्रेक, पेज ब्रेक, कॉलम ब्रेक, टेक्स्ट रैपिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज, ये देखिए यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट पेज आ गया. इस टाइप से आप इसमें पेज ब्रेक्स, ब्रेक्स और सेक्शन ब्रेक वगैरह सब ऑप्शंस आपके अवेलेबल है इसमें. पेज लेआउट टैब इसमें और ब्रेक्स में. ठीक है, ये देखिए पेज ब्रेक, सेक्शन ब्रेक, next page, continuous, even page, odd page. Section breaks add flexibility to formatting your document. Using them you can create different header footers, different footnote numbering, change the layout of columns, change page borders or different pages, even change page layout in same document. Or using section break is like having many documents in one large document. Section break में okay. Section break controls the formatting of document content that precedes it until it reaches another section break. For example, if you have a 10 pages document with a section break on page 3 and page 8, the section break on page 3 controls the formatting of page 1 to 3, while the section break on page 8 controls the formatting of page 4 to 8. You need to be able to see the where your section break and page break are inserted in order to see where the formatting stops and or to delete them. To see a section or page break, click the Show Hide button on the Home tab in the Paragraph section. Click on the section page break, press delete on keyboard and section page break is removed. आप इसको डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये आप करके देखिएगा. ओके, फिर हम आपको नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में और कराएंगे. टिल देन थैंक यू.